We had readings up to, what, like 34? So we made some progress. We just went down there and probed everywhere to make sure we weren't hitting anything. Hopefully, we'll be done pretty soon. And we got Darren, my dad, Ben Elson, my mom. There was a little guy. Oh yeah, he's still watching. And then, yeah. It's pretty good. Does that seem like it's the pipe for sure? Is that the pipe for sure?
That's, I think, our pipe dropping in.
Oh, okay.
I think right where it's going, right there, yeah. It's right there. No, not over there, you're missing it. Right there.
Nice work. How'd you guys get down there?
That's probably where that puddle
So
water is.
that puddle that we saw in the... We cameraed this line
Right,
earlier. Boop! A whole bunch of stuff.
That's a boop! Just a little bit of boop.
It's definitely part of a...
Oh, that's the...
This is coming from the house.
That's where it connects into, is right there.
Got in there. Okay, so that's a section of pipe.
Orangeberg.
Oh, look at it, it's all dent.
It's Orangeberg.
It's all squishied.
It's Orangeberg.
Which we couldn't get through that spot. You know,
See,
toss...
that's all that curtain junk we've seen.
Yeah, toss it up here.
We try to get...
So, do you think that this got squished from us digging? I don't think so.
No, but that was that bad spot.
That's the bad spot, yeah.
Bad spot right there.
So somehow, as the ground settled, that...
I think it's Orangeberg because it's black and smushed.
I've never actually seen that stuff on the job. So this is kind of cool. So we'll have to dig this way far enough that hopefully we can hook back onto that.
That's right, Ruben wasn't at the one in Walnut Grove.
Oh, yeah.
The one in Walnut Grove was Orangeberg.
Same stuff.
Really? Yeah, no, I completely missed out on that job.
But see, what they probably did is they probably just stuffed that Orangeberg in there and then just cemented around it. I'm surprised we didn't.
Or maybe they didn't even cement around it, and
Yeah,
eventually, and it worked for 50 years or 60 years.
Some type of putty or something, I don't know.
How are we gonna attach to this Orangeberg?
Yeah.
Is that what it's called?
We're just gonna have to put a regular front pull around it.
Okay. Oh, it's harder than I imagined. We were totally seeing this on the camera.
Yeah, it all was pretty good. There was a few spots that was starting to oval, but it
Wasn't collapsing. This will be a lot cheaper for them if we can just fix it here and fill it in. What are you doing with your hand?
Oh, man. Good man. This is...
got all my shots. I think I got all of it. All the big stuff in.
What is this garbage? Sewage?
Yeah, you can tell the sewage has been leaking around that point for a long time, based on the color of the soil. What's that? There's like blue behind your shovel.
Part of Ben's finger.
Oh no. Really?
No.
No wonder I couldn't
Okay.
feel nothing.
Where's the rest of the pipe, Darren, that we gotta hook onto?
Right.
Yeah, here.
Okay.
It's hiding.
It's kind of busted there, so
It's like at a...
we might have to end up, depending on how bad the pipe is, we might have to end up digging a little bit more that way.
Are you guys gonna cover that hole with that
Yeah.
cap, and then I'll clean out this mud. You guys will have to direct me.
Put it there so it kind of holds.
want to stay far away because if I so much as touch it, that tile will crack. This has so much force. So I don't want to touch it, but I can take another scoop out of the corner there. Yeah, on this side of the pipe. And that's for you. Boy, good thing we got back from our lunch break before the boss.
Yeah, exactly.
We didn't squish that, that's what it looked like.
What we found on the camera.
So eventually the street settled enough that it pulled it and broke it out of the hole. And then the sewage is just kind of washing an opening.
Looping its way into it, huh?
I cut a hole in the clay, but they just either shoved it in and put cement around it.
I don't even think they put cement around it. I didn't see any.
Small enough just so they could shove that orangeberg in.
When you stub your fitting in there, this far, and then you cement it and you push it shut, it's never gonna.
As long as they don't do that like cleaning thing that cuts all the
Eventually
parts
it's
off.
going to get replaced anyway, you know, with all these 32-part sewer project.
32 parts.
Well, that's what it is. It's like 32 areas.
So that's the hole right there.
That's where the clay, we got clay.
Yeah, we got a chunk of stuff covering it. That's what it looks like. You know, the pipe looks too big to even go into the hole that they have cut right there.
Well, I kind of feel like it might be.
They melted it down and then they shoved it in.
They might have. It looks weird. Doesn't quite fit into the hole. We were thinking to put a boot around the outside, but we think this line's going to get replaced within the next couple of years, so we're just going to stub it in and then put a fern coat on that side, and that'll make it work long enough that in the next 5 or 10 years when they dig up the street, it'll be, whoop, ah, yuck.
I got gloves, Ruben.
That's okay. Whoa, careful. Thanks. So I'm going to try to get that fern coat onto there, but it's kind of tight because the pipe became ovular. So we got the fern coat shoved on there. Ben's expertise was very helpful. And then we just measured this, and we are going to do it 19 inches so that it sticks into there a couple inches and can't fall out. And then we're going to put P-rock around the works and cement. That's what they had here previously, was cement, but as you can see,
Oh, that's okay.
it has become completely, yeah, you're
Just
right.
crumbled.
It just completely went to pieces. Like, look at
Well,
this.
all that, I bet you all that sewage too, all the years going around there probably didn't help either.
And we're
backfill
like,
it
it'll be
right away.
fine for at least 50 years, so it won't be our problem.
To get the heck out of here and not have to come back.
Well, they're right. Look who's here. Us. So I gotta make this a tiny bit bigger because
Thanks.
it doesn't quite fit. Apparently these guys don't think we're gonna finish today because they're putting up barricades. Look at that. We got our little piece stubbed in. There's one.
Beautiful.
Yeah, connections made. They can flush if they want now. Just like back in kindergarten. I think that looks great. Yeah, it's all the way around the bottom.
Around, yep. I
So
packed her down in there and got her up towards the side.
yeah, that'll be great, I think. And that is good to go for now. So I guess we'll be back tomorrow to work on it some more. So it is the following day, and as you can see, the concrete has set up, so that's good. Now we'll probably throw in a little bit more P-rock to for sure fill this in. We already got it packed pretty well around the sewer line. And then we'll put gravel and pack it, and gravel and pack it, and gravel and pack it all the way up to the surface. So now we just have to come back and haul away the rest of the dirt. As you can see, the gravel was like the perfect amount to fill our hole. This is gonna settle naturally over a couple months here, and we'll have to add some more. if we don't get a patch put on it this fall yet, but thankful that it was just enough gravel. All nice and smoothed out.